Today, I'm going to show you how to get big bouncy waves on thin hair using the Schwarzkopf OSiS Grip Extreme Hold Mousse. I'm working with damp hair and I'll be parting it into sections. Then, I'll be working in the OSiS Grip Extreme Hold Mousse to each section. I love this stuff because it's super lightweight, which is good for my thin hair, and I don't need to use a separate heat protectant either. Next, I'm going to rough dry my hair. I don't need to worry about frizziness or smoothing my hair here because the mousse already does the heavy lifting for me. Next, I'm going to curl my hair away from my face, working in sections from the bottom to the top. For the top, I make sure to pin my curls for that extra volume boost. Last, when my hair is cool, I'm going to brush out my curls to get that effortless wave. And there you have it! Easy, all-day voluminous waves. Shop at HairMNL now to get the look.